your iPhone is exposing you. Turn off the Safari settings. Hi and welcome back to a new video. And today's topic is the settings that you need to turn off from Safari. Go to your settings and go to your apps, then scroll down till you see Safari, and that should be here because it's starting from S. And then what you need to do is go on these extensions and go to every, and if you see anything that you do not recognize, just go there and turn that off. And another thing what you need to do is go on your camera and you need to find this camera, microphone and location. You need to select everything on ask, because you don't want any website to track your location and use your microphone and camera without your permission. And after doing that, just go back and then go to advanced, and you need to toggle off this one, because you don't want this third party website can feed your data. And after doing that, what you can do is go slightly up. After doing all this, your iPhone is safe from Safari. And after doing all this, your iPhone is safe from any website that runs on Safari. And after doing this, your iPhone is safe from all these websites that runs on. This video helped you out. Like this video and comment down if you have any questions or queries, and also hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you won't miss out any updates from our channel. Thank you for watching.